Okay, for those that actually missed out on dogs, just chill. There is more to come. Right in this video, I will be showing proof of withdrawal from Airdrop and also how you can know legit airdrops. Because one big misconception about airdrops is the fact that some things is shady, some feel it's too good to be true, and some people think just tapping the screen of your phone, somehow scam. Because doing stuff like doing tags, following social media accounts, and also getting rewarded for the tags you do. One big thing that put people off is the fear to miss out because there's so many airdrops happening all the time. So showing on the screen right now is proof of withdrawal from an airdrop named Dogs that was launched on the 26th. So things you need to take note about. Firstly, you need to be sure such airdrop has link with other cryptocurrencies or partnership with airdrops that have been launched. Right now, I'll be showing you two airdrops you can engage in based on analysis. So the name of the first airdrop is called Major. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section, so don't hesitate to go click on it and start the airdrop. So showing on the screen is the platform you'll be directed to. If you look down there, you see in, so there are tags in there which you would have to complete to get star. That's the coin. And the next part, which is reward, all you just have to do in this place, you just lay your hand on this star icon shown on the screen for some minutes and then you get rewarded. And also if you scroll down a little bit, there's another part where you have to spin to get rewarded also. And the third way to get rewarded is by clicking on the invite and inviting more friends to join in the airdrop, and also to see more of your profile, to know how much you've made and you've earned and your progress. Just click on my profile and it will be showing your balance. As you can see on the screen, that's my balance over there. And the second airdrop is called Lost Dog. It's showing on the screen right here. As for this one, you just have to vote for one of the stickers showing on the screen right here, and if your vote comes out to have the highest vote, and you get rewarded. And also if you click on bone in this showing in the screen, you see where you can do tags and also get rewarded for tags also. And you would also get rewarded for every of your invites. And for you to check your profile, just click on profile showing on the screen here. You click on profile and you'll be shown details about your progress and you'll be able to connect your wallet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it to your friends. You can drop comment in the comment section so I'll be able to fix any issues you have and also reply to your points. Have a nice day, guys.